Nokian Tyre recently hosted an off-road event to show off their Outpost nAT tire, which is an all-terrain tire for light trucks and SUVs. Now, we were there to try it out and to figure out, who is this tire actually for? So if you're wondering if this is the right tire for you, I invite you to listen to my interview with one of Nokian Tyre's product specialists as we take our first look at the Outpost nAT. It's not a brand new tire. It's been around for a while.
I mean, it is a brand new tire. We had a previous generation Rotiva AT that was out for many, many years. We did launch the Outpost AT a few years ago, and we won't get into the details, but for various reasons, we lost our ability to produce the Outpost AT. It was kind of disappointing for us. It was a hard break for us. It was a really good product that consumers and dealers really liked. But that gave us an opportunity to take that Outpost AT design and make some tweaks to it, based on some early feedback that we had from consumers. So we actually ended up, re-releasing the Outpost AT as the nAT with a couple of minor changes that really improved the product.
Okay, so when was it relaunched?
Over the past year, we have been releasing sizes gradually to consumers and to the market.
So what's been the upgrade? And does the N stand for something?
A couple of things. It stands for New AT. It also stands for North American AT. We wanted to emphasize manufacturing in Tennessee. So, wanted to sort of push that we are building this in North America.
Okay, so it's a North American built tire for the North American market.
Correct.
What is new about it? What are some of the upgrades?
Since the Outpost AT, the minor tweaks that we were able to do, we were able to change some of the bridging in between blocks. We actually reduced those a little bit to give it a bit more aggressive look. In the sidewall design, we made some more aggressive sidewall design that makes it look a whole lot better on people's vehicles. Those were some of the minor tweaks, but really the big changes that came with the Outpost AT still exist with the Outpost nAT. So we went with a overall much more aggressive design. We've added Aramid to not only the sidewall area of the tire, but also the base compound found underneath the tread. That helps bring more mechanical strength to the tire. Helps in not only off-roading situations, but if you're driving on the road and you hit a pothole, it really helps to improve the mechanical strength of the tire to help, prevent those awful road hazards that sometimes you see with the rough roads that we see on the road.
How would you say it compares to other, to competitors? What's the advantage of this tire to, some of the other off-roading tires on the market?
I mean, off-roading tires on the market is pretty broad. There's a lot of products on the road. A lot of them are quite specific in their application and what they're trying to target. The Outpost nAT is a very broad product that does really well in a lot of different conditions. It is aggressive enough to do well, like on the track that we have here today. Some off-road opportunities, mud, sand, gravel, all those it's excellent in those types of conditions, but it's really intended for everyday driving as well. It's quite comfortable. It's very quiet on the road, and it has a really long, life and mileage warranty to it as well. So it does well for consumers that are looking for daily driving. It doesn't really matter what the conditions are like, dry, wet, snow. It does well in all of those conditions.
So you said snow, is it 3PMS certified?
It most certainly is.
So it's got that going for it. Mm-hmm. You mentioned Aramid. How many layers are there of it?
It's not layers. We take Aramid cord and we cut it into bits and then we mix it into our rubber compound. So it's not a layer. It is integrated into the rubber. There's a couple of benefits to doing it that way. It helps us build more balanced tires by mixing it into the rubber compound, and that way we're able to sort of place the Aramid where we want. So the cut Aramid cord you'll find in the sidewall area, but on our nAT product you also find it in that base layer found underneath the tread rubber as well.
So some companies put layers of it, you guys incorporate it into the actual compound.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So what type of vehicles is this for? Looking at it from a consumer's point of view, I drive an X, therefore this is the ideal tire for me.
Sure. And, we look at it the same way. What kind of vehicles are we targeting based on the sizes that we're building? So it's anywhere from sort of mid to large SUVs. Of course, pickup trucks are a fantastic application, both, light duty and heavier duty pickup trucks. And then we also make applications for real off-road applications, flotation sizes like 35-inch. We build a bunch of sizes for that as well. So we're really going after that, larger vehicle. I mean, the stuff that you would find in campsites and, off-road opportunities like we see today.
Now, Nokian is known as the winter tire brand.
Correct. Right? We are 90 years of building Hakkapeliitta products this year.
It's quite a history. So are you trying now to be known as an off-roading brand too, or is this something you've been doing for a while?
It is something that we've been doing for a while. Mentioned earlier that we've had an AT product out for, a decade and a half. And so it's not new to us, but it's certainly an opportunity for growth for us. We know that, pickup trucks in Canada and the US, there's lots of them, and people are looking to upgrade those vehicles. The easiest and most efficient way to do it is with tires, not only from a performance perspective, but also from a looks perspective. And with the Outpost nAT, you're able to do both.
So any new off-roading tires coming that you can talk about?
Not that I can talk about, but, we are heavily, investing in R&D and, we're looking at it pretty closely. That's for sure. It's an interesting market with some really passionate consumers.
So when people come out to this event today and they take one of your vehicles out for the off-road track, what do you hope that they walk away thinking or understanding or knowing about the tire, about Nokian?
I mean, the event today really brings you to an off-road track. It's a pretty mild off-road track. And I mean, the hope is that you have confidence that the product is able to manage, the type of territory and the type of ground that we're driving on. But with a reminder that this is an everyday type of tire that you can use on the highway from day in, day out, from driving your pickup truck that you use as a consumer to, commercial applications, guys that are doing, plumbing and construction can also drive it with confidence day in, day out.
So I guess what you're saying is it can handle some off-road conditions, but when you drive it on pavement, it's not going to drive you nuts because it's so loud.
Correct.
So that's the kind of the...
That is exactly the idea. That was the design hope from the get-go was, yes, build something that is capable, that is versatile, that is also, enjoyable every single day. So let's sum up what we learned. First, we learned that the Outpost nAT was designed for light trucks and SUVs. We also learned that it's made with Aramid fibers, or Kevlar, which is the stuff that they put into bullet-resistant jackets. And this makes this tire more resistant to potholes and off-road obstacles. We also learned that it comes with Nokian's pothole warranty, which means that Nokian will replace it within the first year of ownership if it's damaged and can't be fixed, so don't lose your receipt if you decide to buy a set. We also learned that it comes in a broad range of sizes, including flotation sizes. The tire was made for the North American market, and it's made right here in Tennessee. And finally, it comes with a 3-peak mountain snowflake logo on the sidewall, which means that it can actually handle winter weather. Now, although the Outpost nAT was built for winter weather, not all tires with that 3-peak mountain snowflake logo on the sidewall can handle winter weather equally. So for more information on what can do what, please check out the video here. And as always, thanks for watching.